In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Hapali A16 electric scooter and what it's really like to use in everyday situations. If you are curious about the latest price of this electric scooter, make sure to check the link in the description below. This scooter immediately stands out with its 1200-watt brushless motor, offering fast acceleration and enough torque to manage steep city slopes without feeling strained. Whether you're commuting to work or cruising on the weekends, the A16 delivers stable power and a genuinely fun riding experience. One of the strongest advantages here is the range. With up to 31 miles on a single charge in eco mode, it's practical for longer daily rides and still convenient enough to recharge overnight. The dual suspension system and 11-inch off-road tires work together to smooth out rough terrain, which is something you'll appreciate if your route includes bumps, gravel, or uneven pavement. The wide deck also gives you more space and stability, making longer rides more comfortable. Safety is well covered too. The triple-mode headlight, brake lights, turn signals, and reflective strips really improve visibility during early morning or nighttime rides. The dual-disc brakes provide consistent stopping power, even in wet conditions, which is a big confidence booster. At the same time, it's worth noting that the scooter is on the heavier side due to its solid build, so lifting it into a car trunk may be a bit of a workout for some riders. And while it does fold, it's not the most compact commuter scooter out there. Still, for riders who want strong performance, long range, and all-terrain capability in one package, the Hapali A16 hits a very compelling balance and feels built for both daily use and adventure.